I I think everyone have the same problem with this one. After we clean up the car or we clean up our bike, after that the water will be stuck here. And suddenly when we use the bike or ride the bike, the water is come out and make you some small problems, but it's annoy you. Okay, I'm going to use a silicone to put in, you know, in this channel, small box. Put a silicone in, should be helpful for this. Okay, we go ahead with the silicone. I'm gonna use the black one because it's it's black one. It doesn't come out. All right, silicone is come out. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. As you wish. So it's let it dry for a while. Maybe take 2 hours. Then we can fix it. After 2 hours, take it back. The silicone is dry already. Should be alright. Okay, it should be alright.